Do you have tinnitus, ear ringing? Join me this Wednesday at the Tinnitus Relief Summit. I've put together the best group of doctors, specialists, and researchers who are all coming together to teach you how to get relief, how to improve your sleep, reduce anxiety, help with concentration and focus, all revolved around tinnitus. To register and claim your free spot, go to tinnitusreliefsummit.com. My name is Dr. Ben Thompson, audiologist with Treble Health. I'll be your host at the summit, and I look forward to seeing you there. Just head over to tinnitusreliefsummit.com.